So hi guys, it's me over here today, and today I'm going to just do a quick video about how to make slime with only hand soap. Like, that's so cool. I actually saw this recipe on YouTube and it's really cool. So before I start this video, don't forget to subscribe, and like and comment. And let's get started with this video. So what you'll be needing is something to mix it in and something to mix with. And you may need a towel because this may get messy. Just a warning, this may get messy. And the last ingredient you will need is basically hand soap. I prefer using Dial because it has a great consistency. It has the thickness that you need to make slime. And if you don't have Dial as is like a form of hand soap, then you can use like body wash that's thick also. But like I think you could use soft soap, but like I really prefer Dial because it's a really great consistency. And let me show you guys the slime that I made with this hand soap. So this is the slime that I actually made. So this is really cool. And you will see the consistency. It's like after you guys can see the consistency when I made it. This is actually a little melted, so. Oh yeah, and guys, also you need sorry guys for the hand sanitizer. You guys also need a freezer or a refrigerator. So basically, let's get started. So first, you want to get your mix, like something like a little container or a bowl, and you want to pour in sorry guys. Oh my god, sorry guys for the camera. Yes, that's really bad. So I'm going to pour in some hand soap. I hope this. I'm bad at pouring. It's so much. Oh my god. I'm actually allowed to waste all of this because my mom said it's okay. Okay, so next we have your hand soap. So let's just mix it. You only want to mix it a little. And guys, just look at this. This has a great consistency. This is what I'm talking about. See this, guys? It has real consistency. That's like a thickness consistency. That's why I prefer Dial. If you could find a slime that has this consistency, like you directly just mixed it, you didn't even add anything else, and it has this consistency, then that's good for making slime. Okay, so guys, just mix for a while. You don't need to mix like for an hour, like 1 minute, like just like 30 seconds. That's okay. So next, what you want to do is put this in the freezer for 5 minutes. But if you're putting it in the refrigerator, just for 10 minutes. So I'm going to put it in the freezer because I don't like waiting. So let's just put it in the freezer. So guys, I'm back and I actually put it in the freezer for 5 minutes. So let's check it. So let's see. Oh my god, look at this. It's coming off like of the container. Like it doesn't stick anymore, see? Like you can see the container now, like the bottom of the container. It's really cool. Okay, just look at this. This is really cool. Okay. Well, then let's just put a towel over here. We don't want to get this counter a mess. And let's just touch it. Look, it only sticks a little, not that much. And like you could like hold it. But I don't actually prefer holding it because this is what happened. Let's put it off. So if it's sticky, you guys can actually put it in the freezer for 5 more minutes until it's not sticky, and you could take it out and play. But I don't think this really could take it out and play. But after, if this is good, if it's still sticky, we're going to put it in the freezer. But I'm not going to do that because I think this is great. And I think that's pretty the rest of the video, and bye.